What's up, everyone? Out and about per usual, doing a bunch of things per usual. Got most of the important things done, but here's the crazy part. So I thought that I was gonna have enough time to go home to get ready because I have to go interpret, and I don't. So now your girl's gonna have to go interpret in gym clothes. First time in the 11 years I have been this guy's interpreter that I'm gonna go funky to interpret. Hopefully I don't smell like armpits because I was sweating. So I'm at the Starbucks now, waiting until it's time for me to go interpret so that I can get some of this work done, office work done, until the next thing. Then Dad over here.
Per use. That's your thing, huh?
That's what it is. Per use, because per usual, what are we doing?
Some of the errands.
I told y'all my vlog should be called Her Errands versus Her Adventures.
Yeah, because
Don't you think?
ain't nothing adventurous about taxes.
Yeah, exactly.
And health insurance.
Facts.
Paperwork.
So now we're gonna sit here and do some office work until
fax machine.
he has to go drop me off because we're in one car. He has to go pick up Mickey. I will have to take Uber back home. Then we're gonna podcast. Then we're gonna have family time. All right, guys, let me get some work done. Then we're gonna podcast.
Monday, as y'all know, me and Bo have already done like 2 songs, and we have another one brewing. But who else is there? We had Dusty.
We had Dusty. We had Peligrosa. We had. Shout out to all those guys because they made it so crunk. Wednesday today, and I finally started to vlog because it's been, I'm not gonna say it.
It's been hectic.
I'm gonna find a new word. Leave tomorrow, lots to do today. We're gonna pack all the things for my 100 winner. Patreons too. If you haven't become a patron, you should get exclusive stuff. They're all getting bobbleheads. Anyhow, let's load these groceries. So much groceries. All right, guys, remember I told y'all the last vlog that today was the day we are going to test out legit our new person for the merch department. I don't know what it is going on today, what it is going on today.
It's just something we like to do.
I don't know, it is.
Something we like to do.
I am on slow-mo, guys.
I am on slow-mo, guys.
That energy that y'all always see on these videos, it finally...
It's fake.
It's like...
That's the only thing not authentic.
Yeah.
Really? No, yeah, just cracking it.
Oh, I was like, what?
Like if you're like, all right, guys, that energy y'all used to seeing, you caught me.
It's fake. Nah. No, but today, really, it seems like I have a Duracell battery attached to me, but today...
Maricel with the Duracell.
Maricel with the Duracell. That's going to be my intro to the podcast now, babe.
Tingo Blingo with the big tamarindo.
Anyway, y'all, we're on the way to go get this merch out. Patreons.
Do that laugh again.
I can't. All right, guys, I gotta go. Look at this crazy paper flying. Look at this. Oh my God, it's like I'm flying a kite, y'all. This is my receipt for all the orders we just shipped out for our winners. Yo, insane. Really? Okay, no joke. I just sat at the post office, no joke, for almost 2 hours, shipping out over 100 items. Actually, no, I only did 66 of them today. The other 50 will be shipped out tomorrow, thank God. Otherwise, I probably would have still been there trying to get this shipped. Guys, it was ridiculous. The lady was like, sorry, I can only do 10 packages at a time. Usually, I have a machine to print everything out, but right now, it hasn't been connected. So, this is the receipt. Let me keep it going. Going. Yep, up. Half of it broke. Never mind. That was crazy. To all the people who have subscribed and watch my YouTube channels, I hope you're one of my winners because I really appreciate you watching these. It's no joke. I really, really appreciate everyone who subscribes. And if you haven't and aren't subscribed, please do so. Don't just watch my channel, okay? All right, guys, gotta go. Next thing, moving on. All right, but before I take off, who fills me on this? Look at this. Look at this. Let me tell you what my ghetto ass likes to do. Number one, I get this. Two, I get this. I pour the chamoy pulp in this little bag. Let me show you how I do it. Here it is. Here's the chamoy. Ooh-wee, it's gonna go down. Ooh, y'all can't even see. Wait a minute. Anyway, that's the whole concept of it. See the chilito in there? And then I just do this, almost like you're eating potato chips. I'm not supposed to be eating this, guys, but it's so good. Don't tell nobody. Just landed in Kansas City. Took me a nice little nap on the plane. Now we're gonna go find our luggage. So let's go. Ready?
Yeah.
Tired?
Man, I feel like I got hit by a bus.
Let's go. We gotta go get our luggage. I need some coffee bad. What up? Look who it is. What up? Baby? Oh boy, look at this. Little frat boys. Look at these frat boys. Oh my god. Y'all already know my
Y'all see the chemistry? Y'all see the synergy?
My vlog's gonna be lit now.
Y'all seen us sharing the screen on Dirty Horchata? Come on now, you already knew it.
This is the co-star of...
We got robbed at the Oscars, but it's all good.
Y'all know I had to get my coffee, right? I did, so waiting on that. All right, guys, so we're looking for our Airbnb. We had to come waste some time. Of course, get the coffee. Really a cute little quaint place. Kansas City, y'all have some really cool spots. I like it. I'm digging it. Airbnb is finally ready and we're heading to it. And you know I'm gonna give you the tour because I give y'all the tour of all our hotels and Airbnbs.
Speaking of tour, see you at the next stops, Naples, Florida, Atlanta, Georgia.
And look who's gonna be on that show too.
Go down now.
Hey, where are you?
Go down now.
Midnight. Hey.
Solo.
Ooh.
Midnight. Solo.
Ooh. All right. Let me walk before I get run over. So, cheers, guys. All right. As promised, guys, let me give y'all this tour. Here we go. I'm really digging how they did this. So, here's bedroom 1. Crazy thing is that's just sheets. Look how they did that. Look at this little space that they made. I would have done it a little bit different, but it's still really cool in here. Just so you guys know, this used to be a courthouse. We're turned into a place to live.
Good morning, Kansas City.
because even while we have downtime, that's what I do. Someone once said, do I ever turn it off? And actually Midnight just asked me, do I ever turn it off? I said, well, when I think about taking a nap, and then I think about all the things I need to get done, usually works win. And in this case, work won again. So let me finish up. All right, gotta come help the hubs get his hair did. I'm not only the tour manager, I'm also the barber.
The tour barber.
Tour barber. I cut all the comedians' hair.
I go for.
Ah. Hey, you got the whole patch right there, bro.
I was waiting on you. You were like, you need help, and then you never came.
This Airbnb is so thoughtful. They have Benadryl. They have a no, nothing. But then this one says fun. Y'all. And it's blue.
Let's find out what it is.
Do you want to be the tester, babe?
I'm about to find out.
I'll let y'all know what it is.
Damn, mijo, where'd you find this?
Dear Menudo, te quiero.
The Menudo.
Todas las chicas creen que estoy bien chulo. Me invitan pa' su casa y les traigo menudo. Les doy salchicha y les doy venudo.
What's up, guys? So we finally made it back to Houston. I know I didn't record any of it. Sorry. Super duper, duper early flight. We made it home, hung out with Penny for a little bit. Still have to make it to the gym, so we're at the gym right now. Gonna go run some errands and then hopefully get some family time in. So be back soon. Yep, told y'all. Our current water situation in Houston is real, guys. Did y'all just see what I showed y'all? Came to Whole Foods to have a little bit of a lunch, and that didn't happen. So we're under a boil your water advisory right now. So
Still love the H.
shout out to H-Town. All right, guys. So we came to HEB to get our little stash going. It's this water issue. We're gonna have to start boiling water because we live in Houston, and 50% of the water supply comes from this pipe that broke. So we are on a boil your water advisory. So we're here doing that. Saturday morning, we woke up, came out, and supported my sister at her CrossFit competition. It was awesome. It's so crazy what they have them doing, but check out some of these clips. They're quite interesting. Then after the competition, we just went out and had a little bit of family time, rode our bikes to the park, and, you know, just hung out and did family things. We even stopped and had some ice cream. Sunday, we woke up, had breakfast together, and then we headed out to church. And it was Go Texan Day at church. It was pretty cool. They had some guys playing instruments. They had kid games. They had all sorts of stuff. We had a really good time. Thank you guys so much for watching another Her Adventures. If you haven't yet, please be sure to subscribe, comment, and share. See y'all next time.